Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay coming at you with another work from home job lead. Real quickly, I want to say thank you to those of you who answered my poll that I put out on Sunday, and especially thank you to those who have commented on it thus far. But with that being said, if you are new here, this channel is all about searching the internet, looking for the best work from home jobs available, and bringing them to you on a daily basis. Now, today's job lead is from the company Guardian. Guardian is a financial institution that offers a wide range of insurance and financial products. And they are looking for a customer care representative to work remotely from home. They are looking throughout all of the United States. I did not see any state restrictions listed, and they list that they are working with Mountain, Eastern, and Central time zones. So all of the time zones. So let's just dive on in. So they are looking for a customer service representative to engage with people who need help with their leaves of absence using a variety of technologies, including inbound and outbound telephone, as well as chat. You'll continuously strive to provide superior products and customer service, servicing callers on a subject matter on a variety of leave types. You initiate new leave cases in the system. You'll make independent decisions within the scope of your authority, and you'll need to demonstrate a high level of confidentiality and express yourself in an open and honest manner. So you will basically be the first point of contact for customers who need leaves of absences or answers to questions regarding an existing leave of absence. Now, they do not require a bachelor degree or any college degree. That is a plus, but they do require a high school diploma or GED, and they're looking for someone who is dependable, service-oriented, honest, and compassionate, someone who can adapt quickly and navigate or multitask between different computer systems, someone who is very comfortable with working with PCs and Microsoft Office, someone who has strong attention to detail and has excellent communication and collaboration skills. Now, this company will provide the computer equipment for you, but it does say your internet connectivity requirement does have to be 50 Mbps. Now, good note for those of you who are looking for work from home jobs, they are not requiring the COVID-19 vaccine if you are working from home. I know a lot of companies are requiring it regardless. This company does not require it. They are paying $18 an hour, and it says this is a work from home position located anywhere in Eastern, Central, Mountain, and Pacific time zones, so the entire United States. Now, I don't know how many people they are hiring for this position, but I'm assuming it's more than one. It says training will begin for this class on Monday, October 3rd. So since they are holding an actual training class, it appears they are hiring multiple people for this position. So get those applications in. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with another work from home job lead just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.